In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Mission 2017 MCQ, that is the differential equation dy over dx equal to x square plus xy plus 9y divided by 9x square plus y square is solution. That is, here m dx plus n dy is called exact differential equation if partial m over partial y is equal to partial n over partial x. The differential equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 into dx plus a2x plus b2y plus c2 is called homogeneous if a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2. Given differential equation not exact, not homogeneous, so option D is correct, that is none of these. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.